more, but I just wanted to say aloha to all the kupuna out there. How are you guys? How the kupuna? Oh, so lovely to see everybody. Oh, Ati Ivalani. Oh, Ati Tiny, aloha. Ati Julie, how you folks? So, this song was written by Emma Dudua, and her ohana moved from the island of Oahu to Kalamaula. And this song I've always taken with me wherever I went, and I've just been so lucky to be able to roll around the red dirt in Kalamaula. It's good for you, and I really admired listening to recordings of Uncle Jarrett. Even though I didn't meet him, but I can feel him through the songs, and especially this one. This one touches the heart, and I wanted to aloha my family, Auntie Stacy, my mom, my honey, Auntie Corrine, I see, my cousin Kikama, and you know, we all got to live on the Aina. It's so beautiful, very, very blessed. So I just like to leave, Auntie Penny, from Kalamaula, and Manuai. It's close to all the Kalamaula folks and the rest of you. And mahalo for having us today. Love you all. All in all, me que ona, me canali. Love you, cousin. I sure am all in all. Me que ona, me canali. Ika